Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Bath and Body Works app black screen. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Bath and Body Works app. Now tap on app info option here. Now tap on storage usage option. And here tap on clear cache as well as clear data. And now tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app and open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Now tap on search option in the bottom and now tap on search bar on the top, and here search bar Bath and Body Works app. So here you can see Bath and Body Works. Tap on this and now here you will see update button option. So tap on that update button to update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the black screen issue for you. So hope hope this video will help you in fixing this issue. Thanks.